The radio wave is the unknown world we experience today, the beginning of technology beyond time and space. The Central Radio Management Service draws a new tomorrow from the center of the era of convergence and integration. It makes the world of radio clean and safe. Established in 1947, CRMS has served as a comprehensive radio broadcasting and communication management institution by establishing a radio waves environment, a key resource of the fourth industrial revolution. It is growing as a global radio waves management institution based on high technology. CRMS manages the radio waves environment of Korea in real time through its integrated network of the head office, local offices, and the satellite radio monitoring center. It makes preparations for the era of the new normal by creating safe and convenient radio environments. CRMS make the world of communications energetic and active. CRMS performs various administration for radio order, including licensing and inspection of radio stations, support for building an integrated public network, and inspection technical standards for broadcasting and communication facilities. Especially, CRMS's mobile CS team instantly goes to a spot of radio interference and fixes the problem swiftly, as well as the radio wave management system installed nationwide to monitor radio waves domestically and abroad and crack down on illegal radio stations. The Satellite Radio Monitoring Center protects Korea's radio sovereignty in space and safeguards the nation's satellite communication networks. To protect the rights and interests of users and keeps the markets in order, CRMS regulates and cracks down on non-authorized broadcasting and communication equipment and illegal wiretapping facilities. It also inspects the safety of broadcasting and communication facilities and provides high-quality telecommunication services. CRMS enhances the safety and efficiency of the radio wave, surveying the radio wave environment, critical communication network protection activities, frequency usage, solving interference, and measuring electromagnetic waves. CRMS's technological prowess is looking to the future. CRMS actively cooperates with radio management and international standardization and supports overseas expansion of related technologies. It also supports technology and equipment to universities and research institutes for the development of various applied areas. With its world-class technology and advanced services, CRMS makes the world of radio convenient and safe. CRMS make happy radio broadcasting and communication culture by joining hands with the people. CRMS, which communicates with the people holding a range of events such as annual radio education programs for children and the Korea Amateur Radio Direction Finding Competitions, outreach service for the public, activities over the public to share the value and meaning of radio waves will be at the center of the digital culture where radio carries joy and happiness. As a global leader in radio broadcasting and communications, opening the fourth industrial revolution, CRMS improved the people's happiness with the radio of hope. CRMS, Korea's comprehensive management institution for radio, broadcasting, and telecommunications, opens up a new era of hope with the people.